12-inch Android 10 dashcam, 4G 1080p ADAS, GPS navigation, CAR DVR, 5G Wi-Fi, rearview mirror, video recorder, night vision reverse, equipped with an ISOC 8581A processor, using advanced CPU and GPU architecture. The data operation image processing capability is comprehensively improved, and the performance is improved by about 50% plus. The dashcam not only runs smoothly, but also handles multiple applications without stress. With dual lens, need to choose rearview camera, otherwise it is single lens. Front camera 1080p plus rearview camera 1080p split screen synchronous display. One key switch front and rear recording screen. Different operation mode. The DVR has 6 kinds of operation mode. 1. Full screen front camera display. 2. Full screen rearview camera display. 3. Front camera plus rearview camera showed at the same time. 4. Map plus front camera rearview camera showed at the same time. You can choose the display mode according to your driving habit. With 5G HC high-speed Wi-Fi. After the mobile phone is connected to the Wi-Fi of the dashcam, the pictures of the front and rear cameras of the recorder can be previewed in real time at the customer service end of the mobile phone.